young girls. Wants to be the most attractive girl who turns heads and captures the attention of all the boys? No makeup required. Welcome to an incredible journey of authentic beauty and self-confidence. We're set to unearth simple yet powerful strategies that will make you shine from within. Our roadmap includes embracing good hygiene habits, mastering an effective skincare routine, maintaining an active and healthy lifestyle, and cultivating your unique style. So get ready and fasten your seatbelts to unveil the real you. Let's start with the basics. Hygiene. It's the secret ingredient to looking and feeling your best. Here's the scoop. Shower every day. It does more than clean your body. It's a jolt of freshness to your mornings and a soothing finale to your evenings. It washes away sweat and grime that might be plotting to block your pores and cause skin issues. Moving on to dental care, make sure to brush your teeth at least twice a day. This not only bestows you with a dazzling smile and fresh breath, but also boosts your overall health. And remember, hand washing is key. It's an uncomplicated yet effective way to ward off a plethora of illnesses, and it's more crucial now than ever. Now let's discuss your face. Keeping it clean is essential. Fending off breakouts, opt for a mild cleanser that suits your skin type. And let me remind you, never hit the sack with makeup on. Bear in mind, being clean is your first stride towards looking good and exuding confidence. Now let's move on to skincare, your secret weapon to glowing, healthy skin. Every great day starts with a great skincare routine. It's like setting the foundation for a house. If it's strong, everything that comes after is more likely to stay in place. Skincare is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good from the inside out. Your first step should always be cleansing. Imagine your skin as a canvas. You wouldn't paint on a dirty canvas, would you? So why treat your skin any differently? Use a gentle, non-drying cleanser that suits your skin type. Next up is toning. Think of it as a post-cleanse boost for your skin. A good toner will remove any remaining bits of oil, dirt, and debris left behind by the cleanser. More importantly, toner will soothe, nourish, and hydrate your skin while restoring its delicate pH balance. Now on to my favorite part, moisturizing. A good moisturizer is like a big, warm hug for your skin. It helps to seal in all the good stuff, keeps your skin hydrated, and gives it that plump, dewy look we all love. But wait
a minute!
We're not done yet. One of the most important steps in your skincare routine, especially if you're stepping out, is sunscreen. Yes, even if it's cloudy, sunscreen protects your skin from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun, which can lead to premature aging and even skin cancer. So always remember, rain or shine, don't forget your sunscreen. And there you have it, a basic skincare routine. It may seem like a lot, but trust me, your skin will thank you for it. Remember, skincare is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's about self-care and self-love. It's about taking a few moments out of your day just for you. By taking care of your skin, you're already halfway there and looking good without makeup. So let's make every day a good skin day. But it's not all about what you put on your skin. What you put in your body matters too. Remember, you are what you eat. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats is the secret weapon to glowing skin. These foods are packed with essential vitamins and antioxidants that help protect your skin from environmental damage and premature aging. Drinking plenty of water is also a great way to keep your skin hydrated and plump. Try to aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. It may sound like a lot, but your skin will thank you for it. And let's not forget about exercise. Regular physical activity increases blood flow, helping to nourish skin cells and keep them vital. It's like a mini facial for your skin. Plus, the sweat you produce during a workout helps flush out toxins from your body, contributing to a clearer complexion. But it's not all about diet and exercise. Sleep plays a crucial role too. During sleep, your body goes into repair mode, fixing any damage from the day. Getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night can help reduce under-eye circles and prevent dull skin. And remember, stress can take a toll on your skin as well. So take time to relax, unwind, and do what makes you happy. Yoga, reading, listening to your favorite music, whatever it is, make sure it's part of your daily routine. Looking good starts from within, so don't neglect your lifestyle habits. Finally, let's talk about expressing your personal style. Personal style is your unique way of presenting yourself to the world. It's about wearing clothes that fit well and reflect who you are, not just what's on trend. when you wear clothes that you love and that make you feel good. It shows you radiate confidence, and that can be even more attractive than any makeup look. And let's not forget about good posture. Standing tall with your shoulders back and head held high can make all the difference. It shows that you're confident and comfortable in your own skin. And of course, a smile. A genuine smile is the best accessory anyone can wear. It's true when they say your smile is the best makeup you can wear. It's free, it's easy, and it's something that everyone can pull off. Remember, confidence is the key to looking good without makeup. So there you have it. Simple steps to look good in school without makeup. We've journeyed through the importance of good hygiene, emphasizing that cleanliness is indeed next to gorgeousness. We then explored the world of skincare routines, reminding you that your skin is an investment, not an expense. Drinking lots of water, getting enough sleep, and eating a balanced diet are all essential parts of a healthy lifestyle that contribute significantly to looking good. And finally, we touched on personal style. Remember, your style should be a reflection of who you are, not a mask to hide behind each of these steps. Remember, it's all about enhancing your natural beauty and feeling confident in your own skin. You don't need makeup to look good. You're already beautiful as you are. Then let's sing it together. Be a version of yourself.